we go.
I told you sleepy fat smash, sleepy fat smash.
Whoa, man. Cutting me off and shit. Alright guys, so as you just saw the video, the first demon in the 8's! Woo! How excited are you, Kennedy?
Super.
So pretty cool. Everyone's kind of been chasing the 8-second demon slip for a while. Mush was chasing it for a while before his car got in a wreck. Hennessy got to, I think it was like a 9-1. They were pretty close, but they couldn't pull it off. And Tim Barth, he's had Mark's car for a couple months working on it. And he's been testing the setup, trying to get it to an 8-second car before he gives it back to Mark, who's actually the owner. And, well, I guess Mark gets his car back now. So pretty much, the car is a pretty basic setup. It's kind of like mine, but it does have a small 75 shot. And it's only because the DA is not that good right now. Obviously, for them, they're used to, like, under 1,000 DA or even in the negatives over there. But they're in, like, I think they're in the 1,500 to 2,000 range if I had to guess. I don't know for sure. I'm sure someone will comment what the actual DA was that day. But they're over at VMP Motorsports Park this weekend for a Hellcat and Demon shootout with the Modern Street Hemi shootout. So pretty cool. They ran an 8, so it's got ID 1700 injectors, cat delete, upper and lower pulley. The upper pulley is only a 275. And like I said, it's only on a nitrous outlet plate system with a 75 shot. So it's a baby shot just to make up for the DA. And the nitrous outlet system, they did have to put its own fuel cell. So when it sprays the nitrous, it's also using C16. But the car is actually on full E85. So really minimal mods. It's still a full weight Demon. It does have the front skinnies. And my favorite part about it is that it's still on 18s in the back. Imagine if you switched to a 15-inch conversion. I can't talk today. 15-inch conversion and put 15s on the back. That would be insane. So they're still doing this on an 18-inch drag reel, which is so crazy. So I don't know what Mark's plans are for the car. Haven't really talked to him much about it, but I've seen him post a few times on the page. But I think they're trying to keep it full weight and just see how far they can go with the car. So obviously the Demon is showing its true potential because there's Hellcats with the same mods not running nearly as fast as that. So I think the suspension and the weight is the biggest thing that's playing into the Demon being able to run 8s on pretty much basic bolt-ons and then a 75 shot of nitrous. So I think it's pretty crazy. Kennedy, thoughts on the 8-second Demon?
It's just pretty crazy.
So maybe Kevin will mod the Demon now. Probably not.
Probably not.
He doesn't want to mod it. I think he should. It'd be cool. I mean, realistically, you put an upper pulley, lower pulley, bigger injectors, tune it on E85, and when you're at the track, throw a little 75, maybe 100 shot on it.
I mean, you wouldn't be able to get 8s here.
I mean, yeah, you wouldn't be running 8s here, but you'd be running mid to low 9s here with the same setup that like our Hellcats have, plus a little baby shot. And the cool thing is, this was only on a 1.4 60 foot, which is a good 60 foot, but Tim Barth has been cutting 1.3s with that car before, so the track must not be hooking, because I know they're only spraying at like the 330 mark, I think. There was one time yesterday they were spraying like barely right at the end just to see if it'd give it that extra boost to run an 8. Because really all they're trying to do is break into the 8s, and then they'll see how far the car can go. But they finally did it. They broke into the 8s. They're the first one, so huge shout out to Tim Barth doing some crazy shit over there. And huge shout out to Mark, the owner of the car. That's really badass. So pretty basic setup. I wish I could do that. I've got to go a little crazier to make mine run with that. But hopefully you guys like this short video. You've now watched the first Dodge Demon in the 8s. Really cool. Now let's just see how far they can take it from here. But again, huge shout out to Tim Barth. He's my tuner, and that's why I chose him.
Barth sauce.
The Barth sauce is real, people. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. There's a video coming out tomorrow of our trip to Oklahoma over the weekend, and I think you'll want to see what my car ran. I think you'll be pretty excited. So we'll see you guys on the next one. you go.